overwhelmed. Do you all understand? If you yell at a child, or the father could be overwhelmed. 16-year-old male finds out he's impregnated somebody. Now you're going to have to help me take care of this baby. He's overwhelmed. Do you all understand? See, we've got to start thinking. We think these people are playing with us. You know, Mensa, the society for the people who are supposed to have the highest level of intelligence, came out in the newspaper last week. They had put in one of their newsletters, homeless people should be exterminated. This is in the New York Times. Homeless people should be exterminated, and also other people with defects. That's us. The melanin defect. They just want an excuse. See, look at them. That's why we can't turn on the TV without seeing a young black man's face who is supposed to have committed a crime. They're just psyching themselves up. That's why it's important to talk about black genetic inferiority, because they keep saying, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. Now, they made us this way. But then they say, look at them, because they want to go into Act 3. So we have to take the position we're not about to be. We love ourselves too much. We're going to learn to respect ourselves. And also, we understand our mission. And it's not a dream. See, dream and determination are two different things. They both start with a D, but they're not the same thing. See, you wake up in the morning and you say, by the time you get in the shower, oh, that must have been a dream, and you dismiss it. You see, but if you say no, we weren't put on this planet to be exterminated. We were put on this planet, the first people, to bring justice to this planet. We are putting ourselves in readiness because we're not playing with ourselves anymore. See, they even have the black weathermen clowning. See, I call them the black weather clowns. The white man can stand up and give the weather. But black men are supposed to be clowning all the time. It's a reason that they do that. They're signaling each other they're just clowns. They're just clowns. We're dismissing them. We are exterminating all of them. If we can get our machine really going. Now we're giving them AIDS, that's not moving fast enough. Now we put drug-resistant tuberculosis out there, that's not moving fast enough either. Got to speed this thing along here. So we're giving them something counter to play with. We are engaging in quality control, black child development and production. That's what the Japanese economy did to take off and astound everybody. What if black people say, oh no, we only engage in quality control? It's like if you ask a Japanese teenager, do you have a boyfriend? No, we don't date until after we finish college. So somebody say, well, what are we supposed to do, Dr. Welsing, until we're 30? Go to school. See, let me suggest for the black agenda, I'm recommending it in the District of Columbia. A wise people would say, every child that graduates from high school, good grades, no drugs, not become a mother or a father, gets $2,000 from the state. In addition, tuition paid to college. Why not put that on the table? It costs $35,000 a year to incarcerate one black man. $35,000. And all they can do is talk about more and more prisons. We say, no, take the same money. Take those multiple billions. We want everybody to go to school and come out and get a WPA job, not job training, job. Do you all understand? If we don't ever say this is what we want, we're not having this other stuff. You're not just putting these drugs out here and say, now that's your job. That's just bait. Let it go on for a while and then put you in incarceration. That's no good. That's genocide. So I say, no, we've got to have another plan. So we got all those stop throwing down trash, stop making children think that they can be adequate mothers and fathers as children. You see all these little girls with these attitudes. That's because somebody's talking. So then the child is rolling her eyes. Just overwhelm people. So I say, everybody get older. Do things in phases. For everything, there's a season. From 0 to 30 and 35 is school. Moving to self-sufficiency, FCL. Do you all understand? Now, this is difficult, I know. Don't misunderstand me. Don't think, well, she doesn't like sex. Sex is fabulous. That's not the point. The point is that we are in a war. War is being waged against us. Anybody in here been in a real war? Did you jump out of the foxhole and say, I got to get some? And get shot dead in your tracks? No. No, it's a time and a place. And you have to determine what are the conditions that we are in. Can you imagine anybody in Japan where that earthquake hit? Talking about, I got to get some. I mean, I can't clean any of this debris. I got to get some now. No. Unless they're ready to be taken to this asylum if it's still standing. So no. Are you all right? I overwhelmed. Tariq said, I'm sorry I brought her. No, but ladies and gentlemen, very serious. I would not be standing here talking if I did not absolutely believe that we can astound the universe in succeeding in what it is that we are attempting to accomplish. The white supremacy system gives us some clues. The people that are highly educated, the white supremacy system puts them in black robes. If they know about justice, put them in black robes. If they're supposed to know about God, put them in black robes. Do you all understand? That's a recognition that black has great wisdom potential. It has the potential. The melanocyte, the cell that makes the black pigment, is described as the second most sophisticated cell in the entire nervous system. Second only to the BET cell, that's B-E-T-Z, the cells that are in the cerebral cortex that you think with. But the white supremacy system said, I can't I can't let them be all that they can be.